lake na siya nagpo-frozen karon tungod sa tugnaw or kay nag-snow since Sunday last week, I think. Yeah, Sunday. And like 8 days na nga nag-snow, mga nag-frozen ang lake. Tugnaw kayo sa gawas, so I don't want to get out. I just want to stay home. Stay inside the house and drink a lot of hot cocoa. Yep, that's me. Oh, by the way, our school has been cancelled today and tomorrow. They just sent an email that the school has been cancelled tomorrow too, so the kids have another they're gonna stay home again tomorrow, and also my daughter's basketball practice has been cancelled because of the weather condition, and it's really dangerous to drive outside because of the snow. They keep piling up, and the road has been lisod kayo i-drive kay arang danguga. Alright, maura ni sa sunod na sad nga video. Okay, bye.